Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to share YouTube video on Instagram story. So for example, I want to share this YouTube video to my story, so I'm gonna clicking on share and clicking on copy link and opening my Instagram and tapping on this plus icon, selecting story and tapping on create and tapping on this sticker icon and search here link, tap on link and all you have to do is just paste here your YouTube video link and tap on done, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.